Hello students, in Mathematics Part 1, we will continue studying Chapter 7 Statistics. We will complete solving Practice Set 7.3 and study Cumulative Frequency Distribution. Practice Set 7.3 Question 7. In the table given below, class mark and frequencies is given. Construct the frequency table taking inclusive and exclusive classes. In the following table, class mark and frequency is given. The class mark is 5, 15, 25 and 35 and the corresponding frequency is 3, 9, 15 and 13. Solution: let the lower class limit and the upper class limit of the class mark 5 be x and y respectively. Class mark is equal to lower class limit plus upper class limit upon 2. Therefore, 5 is equal to x plus y upon 2. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 10. Let this be equation 1. Your class width is equal to 15 minus 5, which is equal to 10, or 25 minus 15, which is also equal to 10, or 35 minus 25, which is also equal to 10. But class width is equal to upper class limit minus lower class limit. Therefore, y minus x is equal to 10. Therefore, minus x plus y is equal to 10. Let this be equation 2. Adding equations 1 and 2, we get x plus y is equal to 10 plus minus x plus y is equal to 10. Here the variable x gets eliminated and we get 2y is equal to 20, and therefore y is equal to 20 upon 2, which is equal to 10. Substituting y is equal to 10 in equation 1, we get x plus 10 is equal to 10, therefore x is equal to 0. Therefore, class with class mark 5 is 0 to 10. Similarly, we can find the remaining classes. The frequency table taking inclusive and exclusive classes will be as follows. Exclusive class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. The inclusive class is discontinuous or discrete class. Therefore, the classes or the class intervals will be 0.5 to 9.5, 10.5 to 19.5, 20.5 to 29.5 and 30.5 to 39.5. The class mark and frequency will be as given in the question. Let us solve subdivision 2. The class mark and frequency is given in the following table. The class mark is 22, 24, 26 and 28 and the corresponding frequency is 6, 7, 13 and 4. Let the lower class limit and the upper class limit of the class mark 22 be x and y respectively. Class mark is equal to lower class limit plus upper class limit upon 2. Therefore, 22 is equal to x plus y upon 2 and therefore x plus y is equal to 44. Let this be equation 1. Your class width is equal to 24 minus 22, which is equal to 2. But class width is equal to upper class limit minus lower class limit. Therefore, y minus x is equal to 2. Therefore, minus x plus y is equal to 2. Let this be equation 2. Adding equations 1 and 2, we get x plus y is equal to 44 plus minus x plus y is equal to 2. On eliminating x, we get 2y is equal to 46. Therefore, y is equal to 46 upon 2, which is equal to 23. Substituting y is equal to 23 in equation 1, we get x plus 23 is equal to 44 and therefore x is equal to 21. Therefore, the class with class mark 22 is 21 to 23. Similarly, we can find the remaining classes. Therefore, the frequency table taking inclusive and exclusive classes will be as follows. Exclusive class will be continuous classes 21 to 23, 23 to 25, 25 to 27 and 27 to 29. Inclusive classes will be discontinuous or discrete classes, which will be 21.5 to 22.5, 23.5 to 24.5, 25.5 to 26.5, and 27.5 to 28.5. The class mark and frequency is written as given in the question. Let us solve question 10. 38 people donated to an organization working for differently abled persons. The amount in rupees is given as follows. By taking classes 100 to 149, 150 to 199, 200 to 249, prepare grouped frequency distribution table. From the table, find the number of people who donate rupees 350 or more. The frequency distribution table is as shown. Class is the donation in rupees, which is 100 to 149, 150 to 199, 200 to 249, 250 to 299, 300 to 349, 350 to 399, 400 to 449, 450 to 499, and 500 to 549. After arranging the data in the ascending order, we write the observations which fall within the given class. Therefore, for 100 to 149, the frequency, that is the number of people, is 7. For 150 to 199, the frequency is 10. 200 to 249, the frequency is 3. For 250 to 299, the frequency is 5. For 300 to 349, the frequency is 2. For 350 to 399, the frequency is 4. For 400 to 449, the frequency is 4. For 450 to 499, the frequency is 2. And for 500 to 549, the frequency is 1. The sum of all frequencies is equal to n, which is equal to 38. For subdivision 2, the answer will be number of people who donated rupees 350 or more is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, and that is equal to 11. Now let us study the cumulative frequency distribution less than cumulative frequency less than the upper class limit. Example, the following information is regarding marks in mathematics obtained out of 40 scored by 50 students of 9th standard in the first unit test. From the table, fill in the blanks in the following statements. Subdivision 1, for class interval 10 to 20, the lower class limit is 10 and the upper class limit is 20. Subdivision 2, how many students obtained marks less than 10? The students who obtained marks less than 10 is 2. How many students obtained marks less than 20? The students who obtained marks less than 20 is 2 plus 12, which is equal to 14. How many students obtained marks less than 30? The students who obtained marks less than 30 is 14 plus 20, and that is equal to 34. How many students obtained marks less than 40? The students who obtained marks less than 40 is 34 plus 16, and that is equal to 50. The sum of the frequency of a certain class and all the frequencies of previous classes is called as cumulative frequency less than the upper class limit for that given class. In short, it is also called as less than type cumulative frequency. The tabular form of less than type cumulative frequency is as shown. Class marks is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. The frequency is 2, 12, 20 and 16. Therefore, the less than type cumulative frequency is 2. That is, we take the frequency of the first class interval, that is 0 to 10 here, as given, that is 2. For 10 to 20, the cumulative frequency will be 2 plus 12, and that is equal to 14. For 20 to 30, the less than type cumulative frequency will be 14 plus 20, and that is equal to 34. For 30 to 40, the cumulative frequency will be 34 plus 16, and that is equal to 50. The cumulative frequency of the last class, that is 30 to 40, will be equal to the sum of all frequencies, which is 50. The meaning of less than type cumulative frequency. For class mark 0 to 10, cumulative frequency is 2, which means that 2 students got less than 10 marks. For class mark 10 to 20, the cumulative frequency is 14, which means that 14 students got less than 20 marks. For class mark 20 to 30, the cumulative frequency is 34, therefore 34 students got less than 30 marks. And for class mark 30 to 40, the cumulative frequency is 50, which means that 50 students got less than 40 marks. Tabular form of cumulative frequency more than or equal to the lower class limit. In the following table, we are given the class mark, frequency, and we have to write the cumulative frequency more than or equal to the lower class limit. We first take the sum of all frequencies, therefore n is equal to 50, and we write the sum of all frequencies as the cumulative frequency for the first class interval. To calculate the cumulative frequency for the second class interval, that is 10 to 20, we subtract the frequency of the previous class from 50, and therefore we get 50 minus 2, and that is equal to 48. For 20 to 30 class interval, we subtract 12 from 48, so we get 48 minus 12 is equal to 36. For the class interval 30 to 40, we subtract 20 from 36, and we get 36 minus 20 is equal to 16. The meaning of cumulative frequency more than or equal to the lower class limit. For class mark 0 to 10, the cumulative frequency is 2, which means that 2 students got less than 10 marks. For class mark 10 to 20, the cumulative frequency is 14, which means that 14 students got less than 20 marks. For class mark 20 to 30, the cumulative frequency is 34, which means that 34 students got less than 30 marks. And for class mark 30 to 40, the cumulative frequency is 50, which means that 50 students got less than 40 marks. Let us solve practice set 7.4. Question 1. Complete the following cumulative frequency table. In the following table, we are given the class, that is the height of students in centimeters, the frequency, that is the number of students, and the less than type cumulative frequency. For class 150 to 153, the frequency is 5. Therefore, for the less than type cumulative frequency, we write 5 as the cumulative frequency for the first class. For the second class, that is 153 to 156, we add 7 to the cumulative frequency of the first class, that is 5. Therefore, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. For class 156 to 159, we add 12, which is the cumulative frequency of the previous class, to 15, which is the frequency of the same class, that is 156 to 159, and we get 27. For 159 to 162, we add the cumulative frequency, that is 27, to the frequency of the class 159 to 162, which is 10. Therefore, 27 plus 10 is equal to 37. For 162 to 165, we add 5 to the cumulative frequency of the previous class, that is 37, and that is equal to 42. And for the class 165 to 168, we add the frequency 3 to the cumulative frequency of the previous class, that is 42, and therefore we get 42 plus 3 is equal to 45. Question 2. Complete the following cumulative frequency table. In the following table, we are given the class, which is the monthly income in rupees, frequency, that is the number of individuals. We have to write the more than or equal type cumulative frequency. The sum of all frequencies is given, that is n is equal to 87. For class 1000 to 5000, the frequency is 45. We write the sum of all frequencies, that is 87, as the cumulative frequency of the first class, that is for 1000 to 5000. For class 5000 to 10,000, we subtract 45, which is the frequency of the previous class, from the cumulative frequency of the previous class, that is 87. Therefore, we get 87 minus 45 is equal to 42. For the class 10,000 to 15,000, the cumulative frequency will be 42 minus 19, and that is equal to 23. For class 15,000 to 20,000, the cumulative frequency will be 23 minus 16, and that is equal to 7. And for class 20,000 to 25,000, the cumulative frequency will be 7 minus 2, and that is equal to 5. Therefore, for the cumulative frequency more than or equal type, the cumulative frequency of the last class is equal to the frequency of that class. Let us solve question number 3. The data is given for 62 students in a certain class regarding their mathematics marks out of 100. Take the classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and so on, and prepare frequency distribution table and cumulative frequency table more than or equal to type. From the prepared table, answer the following questions. In subdivision 1, how many students obtained marks 40 or above 40? In subdivision 2, how many students obtained marks 90 or above 90? In subdivision 3, how many students obtained marks 60 or above 60? And in subdivision 4, what is the cumulative frequency of equal to or more than type of the class 0 to 10? After arranging the data in ascending order, we write the frequency of each class. The frequency for class 0 to 10 is 3, for 10 to 20 is 3, for 20 to 30 is 9, for 30 to 40 is 9, for 40 to 50 is 13, for 50 to 60 is 6, for 60 to 70 is 5, for 70 to 80 it is 6, for 80 to 90 it is 5, and for 90 to 100 the frequency, that is the number of students, is 3. Therefore, the sum of all frequencies, that is capital N, is equal to 62. We now prepare the cumulative frequency distribution for more than or equal to type. We write the sum of all frequencies, which is 62, for the class 0 to 10. For class 10 to 20, it will be 62 minus 3, and that is equal to 59. For class 20 to 30, it is 59 minus 3, and that is equal to 56. For class 30 to 40, it is 56 minus 9, and that is equal to 47. For class 40 to 50, it is 47 minus 9, and that is equal to 38. For class 50 to 60, the cumulative frequency is 38 minus 13, and that is equal to 25. For class 60 to 70, the cumulative frequency is 25 minus 6, and that is equal to 19. For class 70 to 80, the cumulative frequency is 19 minus 5, and that is equal to 14. For class 80 to 90, the cumulative frequency is 14 minus 6, and that is equal to 8. And for class 90 to 100, the cumulative frequency is 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. Let us write the solution for subdivision 1. The number of students who scored 40 or above 40 marks is 38. Subdivision 2. The number of students who scored 90 or above 90 marks is 3. Subdivision 3. The number of students who scored 60 or above 60 marks. The number of students who scored 60 or above 60 marks is 19. And subdivision 4, the cumulative frequency of more than or equal to type of the class 0 to 10 is 62.